Hi, I'm Mark Prausnitz from Georgia Tech, and I'll be delivering the John M. Prausnitz AIChE Institute Lecture at the 2023 AIChE Annual Meeting in Orlando on November 8th. In my talk, I'll tell you about the design and development of biomedical devices for drug delivery and other applications, highlighting their translation from the lab into the clinic. For example, you'll hear about microneedle patches for vaccination and long-acting contraception, star particles for enhanced dermatological treatments, a skin patch that can collect dermal interstitial fluid to find novel biomarkers, and a hypodermic needle less than 1 millimeter long for targeted injection in the eye. You can learn more about my lecture and the many other annual meeting highlights at aiche.org. I look forward to seeing you at the AIChE Annual Meeting.